and gentlemen, look, he drove it all the way over and parked it right here next to me so we can do the interview. Make some noise for Jurassic Attack and your crowd! All the safety gear coming off. Guys, I wish you could stand next to this truck and just smell the way the fuel comes out of that truck. Big Paulie, it's gotta feel pretty good in the Jurassic Attack, the old girl getting her done.
Man, I'll tell you what, I didn't know if I red lit or not, but I seen Doug Flinch down here with that flag, so I went, but it's a dream come true. I haven't drove since last October. Come out here with these guys, with Mike and Cliff and Preston, and put on a show for you guys. The song finally came out. We're having a good time.
Let him hear you, fans. What do you think? Big noise for your race winner. Congratulations, Napoleon Jurassic Attack!
Well, thanks, and from what I understand, Jurassic Attack Apollo's going to have a little prize for our crowd.
All right, friends, up next, we got something special for you. This is a little, you've seen the horsepower, you've seen the raw speed. Up next is going to be the two-wheel skills challenge. We'll do a little maintenance on the course here. We'll get these lined up for the two-wheel skills.
One more time for Jurassic Attack! I want to give a big shout out to Carbon Medical Services. You guys, they were your 2025 racing sponsor, and your winner is Jurassic Attack.
You guys want some more free gear? Anybody want some more free stuff? We want to do everything we can to make sure as many of our friends